Google Sheets is a free web-based spreadsheets program, much like its offline counterpart Microsoft Excel. Google Sheets is one of the apps included in a Google account and one of the many platform integrations that Intersect offers. Integrating Google Sheets allows you to upload a dynamic spreadsheet into your data app. Unlike the CSV or Excel file upload block, the Google Sheets block allows you to run a data app on a data set that can be changed or updated without the need for re-uploading. In other words, you can make changes to the dataset in Google Sheets, and the changes will automatically show up in the dataset when your data app is ran. In this video, we'll explore how to add the Google Sheets integration, pulling data into your app from Google Sheets, exporting data out of Intersect and into Google Sheets, and deleting the Google Sheets integration. To use Sheets within your data app, first you'll need to integrate your Google Sheets account with your Intersect account. This can be done directly from the import block in the Edit view or from the Integrations page. To add from the Integrations page, I select the Google Sheets integration and then I am prompted to authorize Intersect. From here, I am redirected to the Google Sign-In page where I can sign in using my Gmail address and password. Next, check this box to allow Intersect to work on the spreadsheets that you select. Intersect won't have access to spreadsheets that you don't select. However, the integration won't work at all if this box isn't checked. And it's as easy as that. Now the Google Sheets integration is listed on the Integrations page, and we are free to pull data sheets into our data app. This integration is useful in cases where your data is housed and edited in Google Sheets. For example, in processing this user data, there are some blocked users that I want to remove from the dataset. Currently, the data app compares the raw dataset to a list of blocked user IDs. This list was created in Excel and uploaded into the data app using the CSV import block. Then, we use the Find Missing Rows block to compare the two datasets and keep only users that are not in the block list dataset. This method works fine for the current blocked users, however, it isn't flexible at all. If we want to add or subtract blocked users from the list, then we have to re-upload the file, publish the changes to the data app, and run the app again. Instead, let's use our new Google Sheets integration. First, I need to select the account I want to pull from. Note that you can connect as many Google accounts as you'd like by adding additional Google Sheets integrations and logging into other Google accounts when prompted. Now, we can browse through the files in my Google Sheets library and select the sheet we want to use. In this case, I use the block list sheet, but you can specify any sheet within any workbook. And save. Now, if I update the block list, and run the app, then the blocked users list is automatically updated and the resulting changes show up in my data app results. Not only can you import data from Google Sheets, but you can also export it back into Google Sheets from Intersect. This export block allows you to append data from Intersect into a sheet in your Google Drive. Following the same example as earlier, let's export our filtered and sorted dataset into a new sheet within the same workbook that held the block-listed users. First, we establish the Google account, then the spreadsheet, and the dataset that we wish to export. And lastly, we choose the specific sheet that we want to deposit the data into. Note that you can only write to an existing spreadsheet. However, within that spreadsheet, you can use an existing sheet or create a new one. When you enter a sheet name into the block, Intersect will search for and deposit the data in that sheet within the workbook. If Intersect can't find an existing sheet with the specified sheet name, then a new one will be created. Like any other integration, we can delete Google Sheets from the Integrations page using the three dots icon. The integration disappears from the list and cannot be used within the data app. However, there is one more step to fully disconnect Intersect from your Google account. After you delete the integration from Intersect, go into your Google account settings, Security, and Manage Third-Party Access. Here, you can edit or delete account access to outside apps. Under Intersect Labs, you can remove access. This isn't a huge deal. However, if you forget to do this step, then you'll run into issues later if you try to add the integration again to your Intersect account. If you need help or have any questions about the Google Sheets integration, feel free to reach out to the Intersect team.